Would you want to add an upsell and cross-sell app to your cart page? In this video, we will show you how to do it with the Honeycomb Upsell and Cross Sell app on your store. Honeycomb Upsell and Cross Sell is a powerful upselling and cross-selling app that offers a wide range of features, including product recommendations, personalization, analytics, and reporting. It also integrates with a variety of e-commerce platforms. To set up the app, download and install the app on your Shopify store through the link in the description below. Once you have installed the app, on the app dashboard, enable the app and create your first upsell or cross-sell offer. To create your first upsell or cross-sell offer, click the Funnels tab in the app dashboard. Click the Create Funnel or the New Funnel button, input the funnel name you want, and select the cart page type to display this funnel. Next, you can select the offer type you prefer, cross-sell or upsell. Cross-sell is where you can add complementary products or add more of the same product. On the cross-sell type, you can modify the option on how you would want to trigger your offer by showing for any product, specific product, or showing only in the particular collection added to the cart. This app also has a split test feature, where you can create two versions of this funnel. When your funnel is activated, we will split your audience into A and B groups and show them different versions. On both versions, A and B, select a product you want to offer your buyer after they click the Proceed to Checkout button. Set the discount of the product you selected to offer for your customers. You can offer a percentage discount, a fixed dollar amount discount, or a fixed price amount. You can also change the offer text here to display it as the offer title of your upsell or cross-sell offer. Not just that, this app also has an advanced option where you can include free shipping for clients who accept this offer. Limit the number of products your buyer could buy. Set a minimal number of products your buyer must buy. Exclude variants, and this is a personalized product by simply ticking the boxes that you want to include and saving the changes to be visible to your offers. As I said earlier, the same setup is with version B, but it depends on which product you would like to set as your offer. An additional feature is adding a downsell condition to both offer versions A and B. On adding a downsell condition, if offer number 1 is accepted or declined by the customer, offer number 2 will prompt and suggest a different product to offer. To enable this feature, on the downsell of offer number 1, version A, you can select or check the Skip This Offer so that if the customer accepts the previous offer, will be redirected to checkout. Otherwise, it will prompt and suggest different products to your customer. But if offer number 1 is declined on the downsell version B, you can also suggest the best product, which will prompt a different offer and help convince your customer to change their mind about buying a product from your store. So choose the best product to offer your customer so you can get a high chance of gaining sales. The same setup on the downsell of version B offers number 1. After you set your cross-sell offer, save and activate it to be visible to your customers. Let's now check the looks of the cross-sell offer to your store. Here's what the cross-sell offer looks like on your cart page. Upon checking out the product you added to the cart cross-sell product will come up in a pop-up. If you decline the offer, the app will now suggest another product, which is the downsell feature. Let's now get back to the app. Next, let's proceed to the upsell offer. Upsell is replacing an existing product or variant with another. The first thing to set up is selecting a product to trigger this upsell. After selecting a product, you can choose what upsell offer you want to give your customers, a variant upsell or a product upsell offer. In addition to this, you can also create a split test feature for this upsell on the variant offer with versions A and B for the split test offer. You can set the same setup, but with different variant suggestions that you prefer to upsell. For example, on the variant trigger, select which variant you would like to trigger for this offer, and the variant to upsell will replace the variants added to the cart. Add a discount type. Here, you can choose a discount offer to upsell your selected product. But if you don't want to give a discount, you can also set the None option to turn off the discount feature. Also, you can modify the offer text and which text or title you want. Show different texts for different locales as the translation of the app. On the advanced option, you can add an offer description, including free shipping for clients who accept this offer. and adding a custom field for this is a personalized product. Next is the product upsell offer. Select a product that will replace the trigger product that your customer added to the cart. Also, the discount type and modification of the offer text as well. You can also enable the different texts for different locales as the translation setting of the app. On the advanced option, you can add your offer description, including free shipping for clients who accept this offer, setting limits on the number of products your buyer could buy, excluding variants, and adding a custom field for this personalized product. Save and activate to be visible to your customers. Let's now check the looks of the upsell offer to your store. Here's what the upsell offer looks like on your cart page upon checking out the product you added to the cart. The upsell product suggestion offer will come up in a pop-up. Let's get back again to the app. An additional feature of this app is the funnel rules. Here, you can set the rules for the funnel you made, but this feature is an optional one. So before you place this feature, please understand how it works for your created funnels. First on the list is the allow customers to use a discount code for your upsell offer. Show only for a specific cart value. You can target the cart value when your upsell and cross-sell offers appear. Do not show for specific products and specific collections. You can also choose a particular product and collection where your upsell and cross-sell will only appear. Also, you can select to show the funnel only on desktop and mobile or for both devices, skipping the offers if the product is already included in the cart. Targeting specific countries where your funnels will only be displayed. Adding funnel priority. If you have the same offer on one product page, you can set the priority to 1, which is the highest priority. Set start and end times when your funnel will start displaying and when it will end. Next is the modification of the appearance of your funnels. On the app dashboard, go to the Design tab. On the Quick Themes option, you can choose and select the theme that you think will suit the look and feel of your funnels. But if you want to change the background manually, text color, text size, and font family of the upsell, you can refer to this option setting here in this section. The same goes for the countdown timer. You can also modify the appearance setting and the start countdown time. Also, you can change the price color and the font family in the price section. Not just that, on the product section, you can set the different layout, buttons, and text colors that you prefer for your cross-sell and upsell. The last thing is the text translation setting. You can change all the text content of the app here depending on the native language that you used and enable the multi-languages for different locales. Honeycomb is a popular choice for Shopify merchants because it is easy to use and offers a variety of features that can help them improve their sales. It is backed by experienced developers who provide excellent customer support. That's all for this video, and if you found this video helpful, please like, follow, and share for more updates.